In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use drums on Ableton. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you an extremely simple and brief guide on how to use drums in Ableton Live. This is going to be primarily done through the drum rack. So, first, you will need to load a specific drum instrument from the left side of the screen. So, from the browser, go into the packs and find the specific one that you want to use. So as an example, you can go over to Places, Packs, and you will find drums under Core Library, Samples, One-Shots, and then Drums. Of course, you can also find a lot of other drum-related options in other menus. For example, like I mentioned, Drum Rack. So once you find your specific drum that you would like to use, load it up into your project. You will see a grid of usually 16 pads in the device view at the bottom of the screen, and each pad will correspond to a specific MIDI note. So this is how it looks for all of the preloaded ones, and you can simply drag and drop the instrument at the bottom. Then the grid is going to appear right above it. Once you have the drum loaded, you will be able to load in to any grid and control. So you can create and edit the drum patterns. For this video, I'm not going to go super in depth about this, but after you have set it up, the next step is to create a rhythm. So drums are programmed using MIDI clips. So on the MIDI track that contains your drum rack, you will be able to right click and find the option Insert Empty MIDI Clip. This will now allow you to open the editor and insert the drum sounds. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.